Removing your Crunchyroll's premium subscription is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove your premium subscription on Crunchyroll. So for that, you have to be at their website and you need to log into your account. After doing these steps, you have to click on your profile, and in your profile, you have to click on my account. And in my account, you have to scroll down and click on order history under purchase and credit section, and it will take you a page something like that. Now here you have to click on premium membership status. It will take you to this page. Now there you guys can see there is order history, which means we have not even ordered the premium membership yet. But if you guys already have a premium membership, it should be right here. And other than that, there should be a cancel button for that as well. So you just have to press on cancel button. They might ask you to verify your email. You just need to verify your email, or they might ask you other verification as well. So after verifying, your subscription for premium Crunchyroll should be canceled. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can cancel your Crunchyroll's premium membership. Hope you guys found this video helpful.